everyone. Today I am going to show you some cool words called homographs. These words are that look same but their meanings and sounds are different. So let's get started. Our first word is tear. If we pronounce it like tear means ashru, but if we pronounce it like tear means farto. Our second word is minute. If we pronounce it like minute means 60 seconds. But if we pronounce it like minute means chota, small. Our third word is resume. If we pronounce it like resume means a document on which our short information is written. But if we pronounce it like resume means restart any work, पुन्हा सुरू करतो. Our fourth word is refuse. If we pronounce it like refuse means reject, नाकारतो. But if we pronounce it like refuse means garbage, कचरा. Thanks for watching.